Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for everyone, those who are living in different corners of the world. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your beautiful, at the same time profitable YouTube channel right from your laptop, and how you can manage your living completely online just using your YouTube channel. I'll go step by step, maybe 50 tutorial series, so that you can follow along with me and also see how the channel is keep growing every single day and make huge profits from just one single YouTube channel. Alright, before moving forward, I would like to show you what is possible with a single YouTube channel, and even without creating any single video, how you can manage your channel and make it profitable, and what is possible. Let me open Social Blade. It's a software to check and hack YouTube. Actually, YouTube channel. Mind Body Zone. If I go to this channel, okay, and we will find each and everything what's going on in this channel. We can get every information. I click on this channel and find the rank and how many videos, how many uploads, 470, and subscribers 700,000. Okay, and I can see also the ranks, and we can see monthly earning to $26,000 per month and $300,000 per year, and it will keep increasing. Actually, Social Blade always underestimates, and in practical this guy is making much more. If you just check meditation, maybe, I don't know whether there is channeling meditation. This very new channel. Yoga for relaxation. I don't know whether there is any channel similar to this name. Yes, we can see 486 uploads, so subscriber is 900,000. Definitely she is making much more, $23,000 in 280. There are people even making millions of dollars in just single months. So if you have 1,000 videos, you can make even more. Without further ado, let's go and create our channel. Just click on this 12 dots, and it's not dots, we can say icon or blocks. Okay, click on it, then click on YouTube. Okay, then just click again on sign in. Again click on the icon, create channel, get started. I don't want name the channel on name. I want to make it a customized channel. I can say fun videos for relaxation. I can say funny videos for relaxation. Create, just check it, then click on create. And I want to verify my channel, because if you don't verify, it might allow you only upload 15 minutes video. You want to upload longer videos, so I can verify my code, check my message on my phone, and yes, it's in. It is 539 564. Continue, and it will say congratulations if it is verified. Your channel funny videos for relaxation has been created. Okay, nice work. I can put a picture, but right now I don't want to. I just want to say welcome everyone. This channel uploads funny videos for relaxation every week. Please subscribe and the bell icon to get notification once I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. You can also leave disclaimer. The channel is associated with Amazon Associates and ClickBank, and get benefit when you click and buy anything from here. And I can say I don't want to put them right now, maybe later I can put them. Save and continue. That's all. Now I can customize. Okay, add channel art. I can add it from my gallery right now. Later I can change anytime. Okay, and I can